Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $50 to $80 per hour with your phone. And can you really make money online this fast? Yes, you can. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, so in today's method, I'm going to show you, can you really earn $50 to $80 per hour with your phone? Let's see if you can make some money fast, guys, okay? In today's method, you're going to learn that it's going to be easy, guys, okay? Everybody likes easy, yay, easy. But also, it doesn't take up much time, okay? So that's another plus. And in fact, you can actually do this while you are doing your weekly activities, okay? And you're going to be paid fast. You're going to be paid within 48 hours of this, okay? So what is this and how can you make this kind of money? Check this out. All right, so here I am. I am on the app that's going to make you some money here, okay, guys? So this is called ProductTube, all right? And how this works is that you are going to be getting gigs on this app, and then you're going to go out to stores and use your smartphone to make very short videos of what you're going to be doing in the store, and then you're going to get paid. Okay? So it's very simple, guys, okay? It is not that hard at all. So in this app, it's going to be very easy because you're going to be doing things you already do anyway, okay? So you do know how to make short videos, and basically they want to know how you shop. So they want to know your thought process of how you decide what brand to buy. So they just want you to record the process of you deciding on which product to pick. Okay, so it's not very hard in that sense, okay? Because you're just basically filming what your decision making is about. All right, so let's see how it works. I'm just going to click how it works here. This is not going to take a lot of steps, guys, okay? First, you're going to sign up, okay? You're going to come to producttube.com, and you're going to click the sign up button on the top right, or just down here, right here. You see the big orange, or yeah, sign up button here. Then you're going to start receiving invites to video projects, okay? So once you are notified that you got a project, then you're going to follow the simple instructions to record your product experiences. Then you're going to upload the videos to ProductTube directly from your phone using our iPhone or Android app, or online at producttube.com. And once you've done that and they approve it, you will be awarded within 48 hours, guys, okay? And you will receive your rewards via Amazon gift cards, okay? So it's going to be an e-gift card that will be probably emailed to you very quickly. And so this app will provide that for you as soon as your video is approved. So obviously you gotta make sure when you upload the video that the video is clear, that your sound is, they can hear what you're saying, and you don't even have to edit it, okay guys? It says make $50 to $80 for 1 hour of effort per month, guys, okay? So there are two types of things that you can do. There are two types of videos, both of which can be recorded simply using your phone camera. No additional equipment or software is required. So while you're in store here, you gotta log on to ProductTube once you receive a new project notification in your email. So next time you're in the store, make a short video showing how you shop in that category. Hold your phone in one hand at chest height and start recording. Record and narrate your decision-making process, and then you're gonna log into ProductTube to upload directly from your phone, okay? And then when you're doing at-home videos, it's going to be very similar, okay? You're going to log into ProductTube once you get an email notifying you got a new project. Then you're going to make a short video using the product and tell us about your experience. For certain projects, you may be contacted to make future videos for additional incentive. And then you're going to log on to producttube.com to upload your video directly from your phone. Once they approve your video, you're going to receive your rewards within 48 hours. Videos should be watchable and audible, but do not need to be edited. Okay. So just to give you an example, I'm just going to pull this up. I'm just going to mute it just so you can kind of see what they're doing with this video here. You see, I guess this person is trying to select a beer, and so this is just a 2-minute video that they're going to be uploading. And so it's not very hard at all, and this guy's just talking as he's deciding which beer to buy. So that's the extent of it really, guys, okay? And this is an in-home one, and this one is 4 minutes and 30 seconds long, and you can see it's not that clear, but what you want to do is make sure that your lighting is bright, and you should record this by a window so the window is lighting up your face, guys, okay? You don't want to block the light. You don't want the light to be behind you either. That makes your face dark. So you want the light source in front of you, okay, to make the best video. All right, so that's how you would do it. So it's not very hard at all, guys, as you can see these two examples here, okay? So this is available on both. It's not just Android, guys, okay? My face could be hiding the iStore button, but on the top right, you see the Apple Store and Google Play, and I'll go to the stores right now. So here is the Apple Store, guys. The Apple Store has, look at this, it is highly rated, guys, okay? It is 4.7 with almost 350 people reviewing it. But you need to be 17 plus to use this, guys, okay? You need to be 18 and up. And the reviews here are awesome on iTunes, so I would check this out, guys, okay? And here I'm on the Google Play Store, and it's also very highly rated with pretty much double the reviewers on here, so that's a lot more people. But this is 4.4 on the Google Store, and I see people making money with this app in the reviews for sure, guys. So if you want to just go over to the store just to read about how much these missions are. So like here, my two were $10 and $15, okay? So these are quick trips, remember. Each of these are not taking you an hour to do. So as you add all these things up, it will be about $50 to $80 per hour, guys, okay? And this one has made 135 already, guys, and it's only about a month. So I don't know, maybe this guy was able to make more than 80 bucks a month. I have no idea, guys. So you can see that there are people making money on here. Okay, look, this guy's been making a lot more, but this one, they've been using it for a while now, okay? It's now 10:10, and I've made $800 from this product too. Look at this, okay? So you guys, it's a great way to make some extra cash, as you can see. Let me go back to my slideshow because I want to point a few things out, guys, okay? So I'm back in my slideshow because I want to show you just a few more things about why this method may not be the best, because you says you're earning $50 to $80 per hour with your phone, but really you're only making about $100 a month though, okay? So this is definitely an extra side hustle that you can do. So this is a great app, and it does work, and it's legitimate. It's not a scam or anything like that, but you're earning very little money, right? Okay? And some of the stores won't allow recording inside, so you need to check with ProductTube if you come across this and you're trying to do one of the projects or tasks to earn this money, and if you come across a store that won't allow this, then you need to report that back or try a different option, because they do give you several options, right? So try a different store. So that's the only thing. You may come across stores that won't let you record inside the store. And they only have one payout option, which is kind of lame because not everybody, I mean, yes, we all love Amazon, but not everybody wants to buy always from Amazon. And it's just sad that they only have the one option payout. Too bad they don't have PayPal or anything like that. So that's the only fallout of this. So that's why this is not like the best method I would go with. And so if you guys want to make a big money, guys, check out this link, workanywherenow.com/best, and then you will be hooked up with a program that's going to teach you real online skills so you can make some real online income, guys, okay? If you don't want to fool around with these little apps and you're really serious about generating a passive online income, start here, workanywherenow.com/best, and I'll show you how I make money online, guys, okay? And hopefully you will follow my lead. All right, guys? So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, why haven't you already? Subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel and learn more ways to make money online, guys. And guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys, okay? I come up with videos every single week, so I hope to see you on the next one, okay, guys? Bye, guys.